Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joy and today I'm bringing you guys another protective hairstyle. Today I'm doing crochet passion twists featuring Nubia's crown. Now I got this hair all the way from London, UK. So I'm excited to try it. This is a black owned, woman owned crochet hair extension company. So as soon as I got word of them, I really wanted to try it. And you guys have already seen my passion twist tutorial where I do it with just regular passion twist hair. But these are actually pre-twisted. So I'm gonna show you guys the hair and give you some specs and everything and all the details. So this is the hair. I purchased 5 packs of this hair as recommended on the website for a full head of hair. It recommended 5 packs and each pack comes with 22 pre-twisted strands at 24 inches long, and I got them in the natural black color. There's also another color available, like an ombre color, but I wanted to do the natural black because I like the long passion twist in natural black color. So this is what it is right out the pack, and it's very soft, really soft. I like it. I can tell it's gonna be very lightweight even with the 5 packs. I can tell it's not going to be heavy at all. And it took about 8 days from order date for me to get my order. And just for reference, I live in Las Vegas, Nevada. So it took 8 days from order date for me to get this. So from it coming from overseas, it was really fast shipping. So I will link this hair as well as their website down below. So I'm just gonna get started installing this and come back after I'm done installing to give you guys my first impressions. So while I'm installing it, I'll just chat with you guys. I feel like I don't talk on here much and you guys have seen me do crochet styles before, so I'm doing it the same way, but the only difference is that your girl did get her hair cornrowed. I did do the illusion boxes up front in my front half, but I did get my hair cornrowed in the back. My mom did it for me. Sorry if you couldn't hear. My mom cornrowed my hair for me because you guys know I normally do flat twists going back, but of course when your hair is twisted, it doesn't, it doesn't hold up as long. And I wanted to wear these for at least the next 4 to 6 weeks. So I wanted my base to be kind of firm and in place. So I did have my mom cornrow my hair, but I did still do the illusion boxes up in the front like I always do. So that's gonna be my braid pattern going in here. So we'll go ahead and install these. And of course, I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I moisturized, of course, with my melanin hair care not the leave-in, but the long-lasting, elongating style cream. And then I just laid down my edges with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges. And I don't do swoops and stuff like that. I just, I don't know, that's not my level of expertise. So I just kind of brush them back so that way they look nice. All right, so let me get my crochet hook here so we can get started and we could just chat up a little bit while I do this. So, all right, so let's get into this. My daughter's been asking me all day. She's like, when are you gonna put your braids in? I'm like, today, girl, today. And speaking of my daughter, you guys remember I posted a video about a month ago of me showing you guys how I retwist her starter locks. Well, she has since decided to have me comb out her locks. yes, comb out her locks. She felt like she didn't want them anymore, and that wasn't her. And she wanted to feel like her best beautiful self. And she figured that with her locks out, that would be the answer. So, of course, her hair, her choice. I do not force her into any hairstyle she doesn't want. First off, because she is extremely tender-headed, like unbelievably tender-headed. So there's not very much I can do. So, and she hates getting her hair combed. Hence was the reason why we actually decided to lock it in the first place, or she initially wanted it locked, because she don't like to get her hair combed. So let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see a small little video of what her hair is looking like after we combed out her locks. I will say that throughout the comb out process, we did lose a lot. I feel like the hair that we lost was like the shed hair that was within her lock, but the process itself wasn't so bad because she wasn't 100% locked yet. She was only about maybe 40%, so the twists that I had put in to start were still at the bottom, and then like her new growth at the top. So it was really only the middle that was locked. So if you guys want me to explain how I combed that part out, because that part was locked and loaded. That part was just, yeah, it was locked and loaded. And I will say that even though the hair that we lost, like I said, I feel like it was more so the shed hair inside of the locked part than it was like her actual hair from like the root. But even though, you know, the amount of hair that we lost, her hair grew out a lot. So her hair is twice as long as it was when we first installed her locks. So of course she's loving that. So let me know in the comments if you guys like to see a little quick video of what her hair is looking like now without her locks in, and I can put that together for you guys for sure. And I think I forgot to mention the pricing of these crochet braids. So there were about they're $13.99 a pack, or 13.99 pounds, I think is the currency in London and the UK, with 5 packs in US dollars. I did use their discount coupon. I believe I got either 15 or 20% off, something like that. But if you use the little discount code, it came to like $96 or something like that, US dollars, for the 5 packs of hair. So a little bit under $100, which, I mean, it's not bad. I know that there's some other crochet stuff on Amazon that's like $60 for like the same amount, but I felt like it was money well spent because it's Black owned, it's woman owned, and it was a brand that I wanted to support. So I felt like that wasn't too much to support a fellow queen. And of course I'm sweating because my bathroom is always hot, so I'm always glistening. Sorry. All right, so, but yeah, other than that, not too much going on in my life. Business is still alive and kicking, thriving. I'm sort of in the middle of rebranding, so to speak, taking a different direction with my boutique, focusing more on statement earrings and head wraps, because earrings and head wraps are my jam. So I wanted to really niche down and really hone in on specific things that, like, you know, I love to talk about and I know a little bit about. So so yeah, I'm just transitioning, kind of just stocking up on statement accessories, checking out some different fabric providers for head wraps and all that good stuff. But you can, if you you don't or haven't already, you can check out my website, omegaqueenboutique.com, and get yourself right with statement accessories and head wraps if that's what you're into. But the main goal, the main message is, you know, allowing women to find their inner confidence with our statement accessories while complementing their crown. So each statement accessory, each head wrap, I pick out myself for the website. And the main purpose of everything on the site is to give a woman a sense of self-confidence in her statement pieces, because I feel like earrings and stuff like that are just more, they're just more than something you put on to go with an outfit. I feel like everything you put on your body, your hair, everything is an extension of you, and it's you making a statement of who you are. So that is the goal of Omega Queen Boutique, to find your inner confidence, to find what makes you you, and express it through accessories, head wraps, and more. So that is the goal of Omega Queen Boutique. So here's where we're at, about halfway through the first pack. I'm just doing this front half up here first. I always do the front first, and then I work on the cornrow part, because I don't have a mirror so I can see behind me. So I just kind of feel for some stuff. Whatever feels right, I put a crochet braid there, basically, and pray that it all works out. But let's see, I'm hoping with the 5 packs that I can at least do 2 or maybe 1.5 packs up in the front, and then I have the rest to fill in the back. So that's the goal. And that's why I like doing illusion boxes too, because I'm putting in a strand for every box, so things don't get crowded up here. Wow. Sounds a whole jet plane or something flying by. Right when I'm trying to record. So Jesus, how many are there? Gracious. Sounds like fighter jets or something. I don't stay too far from the Air Force base that's here, so it's not uncommon to hear airplanes like that. That's for sure. I'm hoping to bring you guys more easy protective styling videos here in the coming days, weeks, and months. Because in case you couldn't tell, I love protective styling my hair. That's the only reason why I haven't locked my hair yet, and I'm still hesitant. I really love locks. I think they're beautiful. But every time I set my mind and I say, yep, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna get locks, I see a protective style on Instagram or YouTube. I'm like, oh dang, that would look so cute, I gotta try it. So that's usually what ends up happening, and I don't get my hair locked. But one day I will, though, once I feel like I've done every crochet style that I would like to do or try, or protective style I should say, then I'll probably transition on to a lock journey. But for right now, this is where I'm at. So I just love protective styling because I've never been one of those people to like to do my hair daily. So anytime I can kind of put it away and let it just rest when I'm not messing with it, that works out for me. So I think too on their website they also have faux locks and some long ones. So, and I read the reviews, and the reviews look pretty good on them, so I'll probably try that too. I've never tried any faux locks except the butterfly locks, so might be making another purchase soon to try out the faux locks, the long faux locks, and see, but probably for winter though, because I feel like they would be hot. I don't know, but I just feel like they would be hot, so maybe when the weather cools down here in Vegas, then get that squared away. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish the rest of this here. Not talking, because I think talking is making me sweat more, y'all. I'm hot. I'm always hot in here. But I need my big mirror and I need my lights because I can't see. I'm blind. Let's see. So we're almost through the first pack. So keep finishing this. I'll stop talking so you guys can enjoy the rest of the install. So this is the final look. I ended up using 4.5 packs. So in the 5th pack, I only used half of that pack. So this is how it turned out. And you guys, I love it. It's so nice. It's lightweight, just like I thought it would be. So it's not heavy. And I love how long it is. I'm 5'3.5". Give me my half. Put some respect on my half. And it falls at about, I guess you could say it's maybe like at my waist. So it's really long. So if you're taller, it might look a little different, but I'm a little bit of a short stack. So yeah, so it's super long, which I love because I can put it up in a ponytail, a bun, all that stuff, and do some cool stuff with it. But I love this hair. I will link it down below. Again, the company I got it from is Nubia's Crown. And yeah, this is the final look, guys. Thanks for tuning into the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.